Alright guys, let's talk about EOS. I'm going to be diving into some key details about this cryptocurrency and my strategy getting into this crypto. Let's begin guys. So, EOS ranked currently 39 on the list. It is on about 400,000 people's watch list, currently at 93 cents, and it's at about $1 billion market cap guys. The EOS network is an open source blockchain platform that prioritizes high performance, flexibility, security, and developer experience. As a third generation blockchain platform powered by EOS Virtual Machine, EOS has an extensible WebAssembly engine for deterministic execution of near fee-less transactions. Now, that little part about the transactions, a lot of big cryptocurrencies that are older and slower have pretty big fees, so be aware of that when getting into crypto. But next off, guys, let's hit the charts. So I've talked about this cryptocurrency in many videos, guys, and I've talked about it going much lower since its last massive peak. The last peak it was about, let's see, a high of $14.86, and now we're at 93 cents. Now we are bumping up a little bit, but I still believe, since I made my last video for an update about this, that this crypto is going to be heading down to about 50 cents. Now, if you see, guys, we're on the weekly, and these weeks are very small. They're really close to these dojis over here. But I think that we're going to be heading down to lower into the zone, and that's where I will be having my buy limits, possibly, engaging, or if it doesn't engage the buy limit because it doesn't go too low, I will be entering off a market, but pretty much in this zone below. So we're talking about 63 cents down to, from 31 cents to 63 cents. That's my price zone. If it might spike up and head back down, I'll be watching it pretty constantly and updating you guys, my audience, about what my plans are. So that's my price prediction, guys. This zone still. Let's see if EOS respects that. If it doesn't, I'll make an updated video. Let's jump into the community and see what they think about EOS. Let's see. First off, guys, I'm bullish. Ask me how. He's bullish on this. Here's another one, Crypto for Light, EOS, possible targets and explanation idea. We got two deviations confirmed so we can swap liquidity. And now we have two levels with stop losses. The second level will be magnet for the market movers. So this is his setup right here, guys. I like watching what people have to do on their setups and stuff. It's pretty interesting watching other people's trade. We'll see another person to say. What I think many people are probably bullish in this zone. You can also look at more for news and information off their Twitter page with 23,000 followers. If you guys want to learn more about this cryptocurrency, just check it out down here. But besides that, guys, let's get to my website. So if you guys want to learn more about trading, indicators, Forex, some economy stuff, check out my website. I have a lot of information there. And you guys can check out the MQL4 programming information, which I'm constantly updating with more videos. But besides that, if you guys want to contact me, hit me up on Fiverr or my Telegram group for direct access to me. But that's it, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.